So whenever you see any trading chart, you will be able to find candle-like structures here. So what does this represent? This is time versus price for each 15-minute interval. That means this single bar is representing 15 minutes of data. It's because I mentioned 15-minute interval here. In case if I mention as 3 minute, then each bar will represent 3 minutes of data. So let me switch back to 15-minute interval, and so let's break down this bar, which is representing the data of 26th May 4:30 a.m. and the interval is from 4:30 a.m. to 4:45 a.m. So in order to break this bar, I will put it as 1 minute so that I will get into much detail, and instead of candles I will put the line, and the range is from 26th May 4:30 a.m. to 4:45 a.m. So when I zoomed into the details of 15-minute candle, here is where the graph got opened and here is where the graph got closed. That means this is the opening price and this is called the closing price. And the minimum price in this interval is $1.4540 and the maximum is $1.4696. So we are having four values here. One is open, one is close, one is low, and one is high. I will just draw an area from open and the close, where it started from open and ended at close. Now I will join this area with the highest peak in this interval. I will join that level with my area. Likewise, I will do the same from low also. And this is the candle that is representing this 15 minutes of data. This is how each candle will be represented. And in the case of red candle, that means the open is at the top and close is at the bottom. It will be inverse to the green candle. And if you can observe here, the low is equal to open. That means it's representing a strong uptrend. And if you observe here, the open is equal to high. That means it is denoting the strong downtrend.